Hey, this is Fred with Fred Buys Houses. This is a project here. This is what we're doing right now. There's shiplap. Is that wood behind?
It's a wood both sides. In and on the other side.
It's really weird that they have that. That's like in Texas, a lot of the houses are wood behind the walls, shiplap. So this is our house full rehab. This is the crap that was left behind. This is the bathroom. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. With this bedroom, we actually are gonna add a right there. And a closet. We're gonna add a right there. We're gonna add a French door to the yard. We're gonna have this, open this up right here. Bedroom. Then we're gonna close off this bedroom. We'll close this off. We'll walk in closet over there. This is like a little patio right here that was converted a long time ago, but we're just gonna close it off, put in all new windows. Let's take you out from the outside too. There's the outside. We're dumping water. There was a water bed in there. This is the old historic house in a nice historic neighborhood. Little xeriscape. This is the tree-lined street. It's a nice area, Long Beach. So yeah, this is rehab. This is real rehab, not cookie cutter. Sometimes people just throw paint on the walls and then paint on the cabinets and they call it a rehab, but this is a real rehab. I did all this landscaping a while ago. This is real demo. Painted this wall. We like to make the places pretty, even as we're fixing them up. We like to make them pretty for the neighborhood, get people talking, get people realizing, oh, we're cleaning up the neighborhood. They're kind of happy. Sorting out plants that I can use for the landscaping, sorting out stuff that I can get rid of. Okay. Say hi.
Hi.
This is trash from the demo. And yeah, it's a stone house. It's kind of weird. This is the kitchen. We're gonna just have that one window, all this closed off. And then we're gonna have cabinets all the way around in L shape. These walls are really weird, old electric, stone walls, all concrete walls, hardwood floor over there, over here is gonna be replaced, plywood. We're gonna just have to fill laminate because this is not salvageable. And we're gonna open up that wall to entryway over here, close off that. So here we are, Fred Buys Houses. Take it easy. We'll show you the product after it's done.